Lorex has introduced a new dome camera into its HD MPX lineup. MPX stands for megapixels over coax. The LEV2712 is made of heavy-duty aerospace-grade aluminum. This camera is strong enough to withstand large impacts, unlike the more conventional plastic security cameras on the market. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally, indoors or outdoors, and features a number of cable notches to accommodate a variety of surface mounting options. The LEV2712 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 water rated, and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 degrees Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is a 2 megapixel sensor offering 1080p resolution. The camera is equipped with 12 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 130 feet of night vision with ambient lighting, plus a large field of view, 90 degrees. This is ideal for wide open areas like a backyard or front door areas. Video is sent down a coax cable with a BNC connector. Power is supplied by a DC cable bundled with the video cable. This camera can record up to 30 frames per second, which helps to provide smooth on-screen movement. The LEV2712 is a ball mount head and can be easily rotated to point in any direction. Included in the package are mounting screws and hollow wall anchors, a template for hole placement, a quick start guide outlining safety precautions and installation options. A 24-hour surveillance window security sticker and a 60-foot Siamese extension cable with BNC and DC power are also part of the kit. Lorex also supplies a DC power adapter for the camera. The LEV2712 is a high-quality dome camera which will serve all your security needs.